Hi there. So today we're going to have a look at getting words to spin around your head, just like this. This video was inspired by the one and only Daniel Batal. I would highly recommend going and checking out his YouTube video. I learned how to do this from him using the methods that he taught in one of his videos, just taking it a little step further. And I hope you find this useful. I hope you find it fun. Okay, to start with, we have a video of myself just looking perplexed as if there's words going around my head. So I'm just going to drag that and put it into the timeline, just so you can have a look. Now we're going to remove this from the timeline because we want to turn this into a fusion composition. Now, normally I would just plow on straight through. Don't usually stop recording, but in this case, it's going to take quite a while for the magic mask to do its thing because so my laptop is only just strong enough, powerful enough to handle Resolve and handle the magic mask, while OBS is running for me to record this for you. It's going to take quite some time. So what we'll do is we'll start the process. We'll stop recording. We'll come back to it when it's all finished. So first we go to the Fusion page. We're going to drag and drop me into it. Got media in one, media out one. So I like to spread these out nicely. And we also want to put me in a second time because we are going to use the magic mask to create a mask around me. So click on media in 2, control and space, magic mask add. Now what we're going to do here is media out 1. If we click on it and press 1, it'll open it in here. The magic mask, we're going to click and press 2. So everything that the mask is doing, you can see in screen 2. So click on magic mask. I'm going to go for better. Stroke mode addition. One dot on my head and another on my shirt, like so. As you can see, it's doing a reasonable job of seeing me. So now we're going to click this track forwards, then reverse. And there we go. You can see the little red line working through the frames, frame by frame by frame. It's quite slow, but it'll get there. In fact, you will be seeing the end of it roundabout. And we're back. So here we have me, and if I go back to the magic mask and press 2, you can see that it's actually done a pretty good job of masking around me. And this is going to be kind of important for in a short while, because we're going to go off to the side, click to the side, add a text node. Now the text node, we're going to press 1 so it displays in your first display, and I'm going to type random words spinning around my head. Oh, would help if I paid attention to my caps. Around my head. There we go. Let's change the font to that'll do nicely. Change the color to blue. We're going to go to shading. Number 3 is add a black shadow. Enable. So you can see it's added that around there, and then we're going to click here, shape 3D. And yet again, click 1 so we can see what it does to it. change the shape to cylinder. And here we go. Right, yeah, we're starting to look really, really good here. Control Z. Right. And then merge 3D we want here. And then drag this to there, and it'll create, oh, it's supposed to create a merge node. That's I know what I haven't done. Let's delete that merge node and control space, render 3D, add. There we go. And if we drag that to there, that should create a merge node. Fine. So click on media out 1 and we're going to hit 2. And there is our text. And if we click this merge node, we can move it around like so. So we can move it to my head. Now, to try and mask that out there would be very, very difficult. So we're going to come back up to the shape 3D. And we're going to go to transform. And we're going to change this to YXZ. And we're going to move the Z up so that it spins like that at an angle. Click on the merge node again so we can move it up. Back to the shape 3D. I'm going to change on the controls. I'm going to change the height. So there, that's a bit better. Right. Now we want to then go shape down to 1, the first frame, and we're going to go to transform, and Y we're going to set to 360, and click this little diamond to set a keyframe, and go to the very end and go -360, because this will rotate the text in the way 360, and then to the end -360, and this should automatically set a keyframe. Now if we go to the beginning and we play it, the text is going round like so. But as you can see, it's coming in front of my head, and that's no good. Now we could spend ages tracking the head and making a mask to cut out that, but what we're going to do here is we're going to just copy. So we're going to copy them 3 nodes, and we're going to paste them over here, and there you go, and it will merge in there. We need to move these up and into place. Control and the wheel of my mouse to make sure I've got it spot on. Yep, it's pretty spot on. Right, now click on this merge node down here and add a polygon like so. Click on the invert and it'll bring everything back, and we're going to zoom in on my head kind of here. So what we want to do is we want to create a polygon following the bottom of this text, just around so that it's where my head would be. So if we go to media 1 out, scroll back, and there we go. We have the text spinning around my head like magic. Now, for those of you who like this sort of thing, so you can always kind of go into the color page, and so we'll just add a little bit of color boost, add a bit of contrast, add a bit of saturation. Because if we go up here and Control D, is it Control D to disable? Yep. Yeah, so it just sharpens everything up a little, so it looks good. And there you have it. You have the text spinning around my head nicely. I'm happy to answer any questions if you've got anything that you want to know. Like I say, head over to Daniel Batal's YouTube page, because he's absolutely incredible, and it was from him that I learned the basics to do this. I've just taken it one step further, and instead of putting words going around a globe like the universal splash screen, I've decided to have a bit of fun with it. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.